How to tag someone on Twitter post. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can tag someone on Twitter post or how to tag your friends on Twitter. Now, to do so, simply open up the Twitter app and you'll get an interface like this. Now, first, to make it to it, what you need to do is tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen and then head into tweet, or you can tap in photos or TF if you want to upload one. Simply tap on tweet and create a tweet that you wanna create. Now, to tag a friend or to tag someone on Twitter post, what you wanna do is first type an @ and remember that you should know the username or the Twitter username of the person that you wanna tag on the post. Now, if you search for them or if you type in your username, they'll appear here. You can see I'm following here right here, and then tap on the person username and they'll be tagged in the tweet, and you can simply go ahead and tweet the post and they'll be tagged in your post or tweet. So this way you can tag someone on Twitter post. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.